Dear future customer, welcome to Jumbo Luxury Cars. Here's your 2019 Land Rover Range Rover Autobiography, stock number 7829. This vehicle currently has 4,585 miles and according to CARFAX has no accidents nor damages reported with one previous owner. This video is made to give you a detailed description of the vehicle, its options, as well as its history. Our goal here at Jumbo Luxury Cars is to make sure we have a transparent buying process. I will show you any damages, scratches, or anything else you should know about this vehicle. First, we're going to start with the exterior of the vehicle, checking for any scratches, dents, or damages that the exterior may have. The driver's side is absolutely clear of any scratches, dents, or damages. Coming into the back section here, absolutely clean. Overall, the exterior is in pristine condition. Now let's check out the rims and tires, checking for any curb rashes, also tire condition. Absolutely no curb rashes. The tires are in excellent condition. Overall, the rims and tires are in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the trunk. Here we have your floor mats, accessories that come with the vehicle. Overall, the trunk is in excellent condition. Now let's take a peek under the hood. As you can see, everything seems to be in good working order. Now let's take a look at this beautiful red interior. All buttons are in excellent condition. The driver's seat is in pristine condition, absolutely no signs of wear and tear. Powered armrests, got your cup holder, here's another angle of the back seats. As you can see, everything is in excellent condition. Passenger seat is in pristine condition as well. In the glove compartment, here we have your owner's manual. Now let's continue with the interior. Steering wheel is in excellent condition. Here's a close-up of the mileage. You have your navigation on the dashboard. All media buttons and AC buttons are in excellent condition. This vehicle comes with backup camera. All AC buttons are in excellent condition as well. Overall, the interior is in excellent condition. This vehicle comes with one key and an owner's manual. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this vehicle, please don't hesitate to contact us. It will be a pleasure to assist you.